Hey, check out this little mini melody I wrote. Ooh, looky here. What is that? What happened here? This is what's called a mini melody. As I said, a mini melody, a micro phrase. These are very, very helpful for helping us build our compositional sense, build our ear, build these little ideas that can become the genesis of greater ideas for larger and bigger pieces. And today I'm going to write one of these in front of you just to show you how easy it is, even with zero inspiration whatsoever. Hey, it's Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my first course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery mini course. More on that in a little bit. For now, let's get back to writing some mini melodies. The easiest way to do this is by using an instrument that you can already play, whether it be a piano, guitar, it doesn't matter what genre, what instrument. That's the best way to do it for sure, just going right to the source, to an instrument. For example purposes, I like using the staff, especially when I'm composing in a more classical space, and that's just a me thing. That's just a me preference thing. If you're not hearing anything, if you don't have any inspiration coming to you immediately, I'm going to use the scale degrees to create a pattern for myself, and that pattern is going to be the mini melody. Let's just get a really quick C major scale up here. Done. All right, so let's create a pattern. I'm gonna pop this up the octave. Cool, so we have 1, 2, but we're kind of going up, making it a 9. Popping that up the octave, I call that the octave trick. It can be so helpful, even already. It took those first 3 notes of the C major scale and already made it so much more interesting. I don't like the F there. Boom. That's it. It's just supposed to be 1 bars, 2 bars, maybe 3 bars max. Nothing longer than 4 for sure. 4, you're kind of already, if you've ever taken any kind of music theory before and you've ever learned form, like a musical sentence or an idea, we're kind of taking just the basic idea component of a period, of a musical period, and learning to write just that. It's crazy how easy that came together, sort of let my ear decide for me. That sounded cool. Gonna stick with that. Quick, easy decisions can really yield some amazing results down the line, especially if your ear just checks off on it. That's really easy to do, and that becomes a whole lot easier over time because you're able to feel more confident in your decisions. So this is all we need, right? Totally fine. Let's create like a nice little, just little chords underneath. Nothing crazy. We'll just half notes. Let's make it some pretty stuff. Yeah, start it on C. Yes. Yes. C major 7. Pretty. Yeah, do you hear that? Oh man, it's kind of doing like this C major 9 type of thing now. Beautiful. You can even just let this be the half note, another set of whole notes. This is a G. Let's maybe do something, I don't know, like an F add 9. Oh, an F add 9. What the fuck am I thinking about? Yeah. Ooh, F add 9 over C. What's happening here? That's all right. Not the vibe I was going for, though. This also feels way more like a piano type deal. Classic. Cool. Basically, what I'm doing now is just deciding on where I want to land, but the main mini melody itself is done. That's it. It's just these 2 bars. And this is a great way to start building up the connection between your inner ear and your instrument, whatever you're writing on, whether it be your instrument, whether it be a laptop or notation software, DAW, doesn't matter how you're writing or what you're writing from. So that's how you can write a mini melody or a micro phrase. If you want more melody tips, check out my free guide, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. There's a video version of it. This video is part of my May Melody Madness. That is in celebration of the release of my first debut course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery mini course. This is the stuff that you learn when you go to music school, when you go to conservatory. I did that for you, and now I'm just kind of bringing you the tools that I learned, and I'm just giving you all the practical tools. Go ahead and check that out if that's interesting to you. That's the Just Right Music Melody Mastery mini course, or check out the free guide, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody, if you just want to get your feet wet. If you're looking for more free tips and videos just right here on YouTube, you can check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. That's going to show you how you can write a melody like Claude Debussy. I'm Avi, and don't forget to be awesome.